Somebody likes to try to climb onto the ottoman. Look at you go. Oh, oh. Careful, you're falling. You're almost up there. Oh, you're down. Who is it? Ah, that's a cue. Who's that a picture of on Daddy's phone? Are you going to take a bite out of it? Oh, dropped it. Like, whatever, I'm out of here.